Today in this class we learn about mathematical function. So my first mathematical function is SQRT. So this function is used to find square root of any positive number. So if we want to use square root of any positive number, then we will use this SQRT function. To use this function, we import math module. So in a program, if we want to use this SQRT function, we have to import math module. Like in this way, first I write import math, then I use a equal to 25, then I write print math dot sqrt a, then square root of a is 25, then my output is 5. So I can try in this program. So first I write import math, then a equal to, I write any number, then print math dot sqrt of a, then I run the program. So you can see my output is 5.0, square root of 25 is 5.0. So our next function is POW. So this function is used to solve power of any number. So if you want to solve power of any number, that time we will use POW, this function. To use this function, we import math module. So how can we use this? So import math x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Then I write print math dot power x comma y. Then my output 2 to power 3. Then my output will become 3 because 2 to power 3 is 8. So I use this in program. So if I write a equal to 3 and b equal to a equal to 2 and b equal to 3, then I use math dot POW power a comma b, then my output will become 2 to power 3, it's 8. So output is 2 to power 3 is 8. Then my next function is max. So this function is used to find maximum number from given values. So if we write any values 5, 8, 12, 3, 6, then maximum number is in this given values is 12. The output will become 12. So you can use this. Print max, and I write the my values 2, 5, 6, 8, 12, 9. So if I run the program, this very easy. So you can see maximum number is 5. In same way we can solve minimum number. So I write the minimum number. So what is the minimum number for given values is 2. So my output will 2. So output will become 2. So my next function is ABS. So this function is used to find absolute value of any number. And what is the absolute value? That if any number is negative, then it will return positive. And if any number is positive, then it will return positive. So generally it is used, absolute value means if the number has no sign. So how can we do this? So I write here a equal to minus 10, then print ABS and A and A. So if I run the program, so my absolute value will become 10. So if I write positive number, then my output will become 10 because positive number, positive remains positive. Our next function is FABS. So what is FABS? This function is same as ABS, but it will apply on negative float number. So if our number is not integer, it is a float, point values, then to get absolute value of point values, that time we will use FABS. So if I write here minus 10.36, then we will use FABS to find absolute value of decimal points. So okay, import math and math dot. So first I check this. Okay, then my output is 10.36 with points. So I write in the notes to use this function we import math module. So import math. Now our next function is div mode. So it is very important function. This function return the quotient and remainder. So this function will return both things, quotient and remainder, x equal to 14 and y equal to 5. Then print div mode x comma y. So whenever we divide 5 to 14, then 5 to the 10, 2 will be quotient and 4 will be remainder. So we will use this. So I write here x equal to 14 and y equal to 5. X equal to 14 and y equal to 5. Then I write here print div mode x comma y. Then I run the program. My quotient will be 2 and remainder will be 4. So this will come my output. So div mode function will return both quotient and remainder. So today we learn about mathematical function. So we learned today sqrt function, power function, max, min, abs and fabps and div mode.